Welcome to the world of AI. Hi, this is Deba. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of the future. It's already here, quietly powering our lives in ways we often don't even notice. AI at home. In our homes, AI enables smart assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant to set reminders, control devices, or answer questions with simple voice commands. Smart thermostats like Nest learn your preferences and save energy by adjusting settings automatically. Robot vacuums use AI to navigate and clean efficiently, adapting to your home's layout. AI in healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare. Tools like DeepMind's AlphaFold are accelerating drug discovery by predicting protein structures with unprecedented accuracy. AI scribes help doctors transcribe notes and automate records, freeing up more time for patient care. In India, organizations like Noora Health use AI to train family caregivers, improving patient recovery and safety. AI in transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to interpret sensors and safely navigate complex environments. Apps like Uber use AI to match riders, optimize routes, and predict demand in real time. Smart cities use AI-powered traffic systems to ease congestion and improve road safety. AI in agriculture. AI helps farmers monitor crops with drones and satellite imagery, detect diseases early, and predict harvest yields. Tools like Microsoft's AI sowing app give farmers personalized advice on planting and weather. This results in better productivity and smarter use of resources in rural communities. AI in retail and entertainment. Retailers use AI to recommend products tailored to your preferences and behavior. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify analyze your habits to personalize entertainment. AI chatbots provide real-time customer service, solving problems anytime, anywhere. AI in education. AI adapts learning platforms to each student's speed and style, offering a more personalized experience. Initiatives like Rocket Learning in India use AI to deliver early childhood education through mobile platforms like WhatsApp. AI also helps teachers by automating assessments and administrative tasks. AI in the workplace. AI tools like GitHub Copilot help developers write better code, faster. AI organizes calendars, automates emails, and summarizes meetings, boosting productivity. Businesses analyze large data sets with AI to forecast trends and make smarter decisions. OpenAI's role in daily life. OpenAI's technologies bring AI into people's hands. ChatGPT helps with writing, learning, and problem-solving. DALL turns words into art, supporting creators and designers. Whisper transcribes and translates audio, bridging communication gaps. OpenAI's AI for Impact Accelerator supports organizations like Educate Girls and iSTEM, using AI to improve education and accessibility in India. From smart homes to smarter farms, from classrooms to hospitals, AI is now woven into the fabric of our daily lives. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to uplift lives, solve real-world challenges, and build a more inclusive, informed, and efficient world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode of the World of AI. See you again next Thursday at 6:30 p.m. with a brand new episode.